Welcome back, everyone. Cannon with Burger Motorsports. It's Monday. SEMA starts tomorrow for us. We're getting loaded up in the M340. We're going to cruise it to Vegas. Should be about a 4-hour drive or so. We're just going to kick back tonight. We'll jump straight into the content tomorrow and show you guys what SEMA is all about. Let's go. Check out this Markv Supra. This thing's received the whole 9 yards. It's crazy sick. 4 bottles in the bag, absolutely immaculate. R32 GTR A90 Supra is absolutely insane. This Z is absolutely wicked, super wide. People call it the 400Z, S2000 high cut.
Wait. What?
Today, Junior?
Wastegate, the lawyer over here.
Hang on.
That guy.
What did you just say?
Oh, they spelled wastegate wrong.
So a little rate the build real quick. Walking up on this Markv Supra. Instagram is 2JZ Power. What? LS Miata. Everyone online got baited.
Yeah, you can see the converter bolts. There's an adapter plate.
I've come up with an idea for M.I.M.E and I. We need to go take a stop to the Dyno Jet.
We need to find Dyno Jet. Where are those?
We're gonna go find some Dyno Jet and go talk some shit.
Jerry, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna look at you eye to eye.
We got S&B right here. Oh, dude, M.I.M.E. It's like a cloud on our
I know,
bogs.
feels so good.
Check out Mad Mike's car. We're over here at the Dyno booth right now. They've pretty much got the JB4 Competitor right here. I want M.I.M.E to go over why it's not necessarily quite as fabulous as a product.
Very similar, obviously they're both piggyback systems, but the advanced tuning that we have, that we use the OBD for safety systems, we're able to monitor a lot more things through the OBD and get more data through that due to our CAN tables and all the actual CAN addresses that we're pulling from our platforms, depending on which platform, obviously. You can see they're teeing off the same signals that we are. We don't need power, we don't need cam exhaust. And an example of that is we're already getting RPM through OBD. Like I said earlier, we don't need any battery. We're already getting our 5 volts straight from the sensor. We've already done all that. Terry's already done that within the JB4 system to make sure it all works. I guess that's one of the reasons why we are one of the best piggyback. We are the best piggyback system in the world. Nothing will compare, nothing will even come close to its standalone level.
All right, apparently the chute's not needed because it's still on stock ECU, and you can know it's on stock ECU because of the math. But what do you think its max is on stock ECU?
I don't know. You can make like 1200 easy.
All right, let's ask him. Hey, question for you guys real quick. What's the R8 make?
1800 and made 1552 at the tire.
Okay, nice.
So 1100, it ran 0 to 202 in 15 seconds.
Wow.
And we turned it up to like 1400, and it's a half-mile race.
Yeah.
And then it did 221 in 14 seconds.
Wow, nice. M.I.M.E, are we calling bullshit?
No, it could.
No? You think?
Definitely could.
I don't know. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think about that. Jason, what's the coolest thing you've seen so far?
Raptor intake. This is for the Raptor R. It's S&B intake. These are the people that make our filters. Look at this thing.
Whoa, for a Raptor.
Put your head in it.
I could fit my head in it.
Filter head.
Hang on, take a picture.
S&B makes a lot of our intakes. They do the rotor molding. Jason is more familiar with that stuff.
We're at the S&B booth at the SEMA show 2024. They make a lot of our intakes and do a lot of our rotor molding, and mostly all of our performance filters for a lot of our intake systems. I love S&B. They're awesome.
Look what we found here, brother. What have we found here, brother?
We did it, guys.
We did it.
They were
we have
hiding.
found the imposters.
They thought they could hide from you, but I f***ing found them. Now I have
bearings I keep using, and we keep basing them up every month and look at the whole thing apart. And we've machined a couple custom things to stop doing stuff like that, stop doing things.
All right, M.I.M E, what did we just learn about Dyno Jet right there after talking to him?
So we just got finished talking to the guys at Dyno Jet. Jay and Tyler really helped us out over here. We talked to them about the new hub locking system that they have for the all-wheel drive Link. It will basically be like a hub clutch-based system, so we don't need to go in there and lock in the splines and do all the dowels and all the bolts and everything and do all the wiring so it comes loose. We're gonna have them fly out here. They said they're gonna come check our dyno jet out, see what's wrong with it, see why it keeps failing every month after month. We'll find out hopefully in a couple weeks. Checking out the trucks.
Yeah. What about the trucks?
Not my cup of tea, but you know,
It's hard.
everybody chooses their own genders.
This is crazy.
Tight like a tiger.
Tight like a tiger.
Tight like a tiger.
You want to know what this jack is needed for, Pym? A G90 M5.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see it. SEMA day 1 is finished. Pym, how was it?
Awesome.
Very nice. We're heading back to the hotel right now. Probably gonna take a little nap or something. Pym needs a massage.
My feet are killing me. You guys are not
Definitely
kidding.
have taken like a lot of steps today. How many did you say?
I think right now we're at close to 20,000 steps. And we
Walking
started
all
late
day
too.
long. Yeah, and we started late. But it's not done. We're gonna have some fun
No way.
tonight.
It just started.
We'll see what we can find.
It's Vegas, baby. It's 5:30. Sun just went down.
Plan for tomorrow is we're gonna go to the Apex show. We apparently it's 2 different shows, or it's 1, we don't really know. But it's in a different location, so we're gonna go over there as well.
It's at the Caesar Forum Shop.
And another one.
Oh yeah, and it says Venetian. Yeah, so you know
the
what? We'll
Venetian.
check that out because we're gonna go to Grand Lux Cafe for dinner right now after we get to our hotel.
It is day 2 here in SEMA. We just arrived over here at the Apex booth. We're gonna check this out. Apparently it's like some sister company or sister event to SEMA itself. Not really sure what to expect. Here's their sign. No idea. Let's go check it out.
Ahead of the curve.
Gotta stay ahead of the curve.
This is more of the international stuff.
China.
We're at Apex for a little while. It was mostly just old Chinese suppliers.
China.
Back over here at SEMA, we'll try and hit some stuff that we haven't seen today.
Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million cause that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. My team really not tame. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave.
One wide GT2s out here. If you guys didn't know already, Scar has our Barren Motorsports JB4, as well as the Kia 3.3 liter high capacity intercooler.
I'm a slave for you.
So we just walked over into the North Hall. We're gonna check this out. I think this is like new industry, or not new industries, but new businesses, and this is like the first appearance exhibit, or just featured exhibit. So we're gonna go check out some of the booths that are here. Not really sure what to expect. We've got about 30 minutes left of it, and Pym's tired. His feet hurt, he's ready to go, but let's go check this out and see what we can find. Doing a PPF maybe, or something on a 992. Oh, we got a Carrera GT right over here, as well as a P1 next to it. What do you guys think of this wrap? As well as the P1. What booth is it? Paint Protection Code, Carless USA. They got a Revuelto too. These cars are just about all the same color. Revuelto, wow, this is a really classy spec. Haven't seen this yet. And the Tesla to match. They're over here wrapping it right now. Looks like it was blue. They got a silver theme going on here with the 4 Giottos on the Revuelto. Seeing a G87 over here at the Sportline booth. It's a pretty sweet M2, full-on race car. Well, this isn't anything revolutionary. A lot of people don't understand what ceramic coated versus non-ceramic coated looks like. Here's an example of how water would beat up on your car and roll off if it was ceramic coated. versus if it wasn't ceramic coated. What in the hell?
Doge truck.
Doge. If you buy this, you immediately get all the crypto. Unidin's booth has a pretty sweet 992 on display. Very clean spec.
Nice GT3 touring.
Yeah, very sick. Speaker related stuff over here. Oh, I see an R33. The Type S booth has a super clean R33. It's an RB26. Is this thing clean or what? The interior is absolutely flawless. I know it probably doesn't show on camera. Very cool.
Never stop, no rest till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a god mess. Whole place, more tests.
Ryan, what do you think of it, brother?
This was at Strikers.
What a setup. A wide body, Dravit Gray, polished turbo. Looks like we found our next best area here. We got about another 10 minutes until we gotta leave. So look at this R34. This R34 is sick. We've got a Markv Supra out on lot with the Barren Motorsports strut braces. Very clean Supra. Ken Block, rest in peace. That is pretty much the end of the event for us. We've seen just about everything, I want to say, in the 2 days that we've been here. I'm sure there's still some stuff we haven't quite seen, but man, what an event. If you guys have never been here, it's pretty spectacular. It's a massive event. Just everyone you could ever possibly think of in the automotive industry is here. Pretty good 2 days. We're gonna head back, go kick back for a little bit and go out to dinner to eat tonight. All right, we are getting ready to leave the great Las Vegas. It's a good few days here at SEMA, but it's time to load up and head back to old California. Pime, how was the overall SEMA experience?
Very fun. Great experience for the first time.
Was it overhyped?
No, it was exactly what people pretty much said it would be.
Pretty much. It's just really large, so it's hard to be able to like go talk to people or go chat to people for a while as if you're just kind of doing their own thing and it's super busy. But other than that, it's a great event. It's really big. I personally prefer watching cars like go fast or like drift. The drift stuff was fun. I wish I got to watch it a little bit more. 'Tis time to fill up M340.
We're gonna go eat, bro.
Bro, you just told me you were an hour and a half away. Thank you. We made it. We're finally home. That drive took way longer than it did on the way over there. Traffic was really bad trying to leave Vegas because everyone was trying to leave SEMA at the same time, but we're here. We made it. So, that being said, the car ran super good, so we're super stoked about that. No issues along the way. But yeah, SEMA was a really dope trip. If you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Next week will be episode 6 of the Barren Motorsports M340i race car, the road to 1200 wheel horsepower. We're stoked. We're putting a ton more parts on it, including KW V3 coilovers. Make sure to keep your eye out for next video. Till then, we'll catch you next time.
Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million cause that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do nothing to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, stop. Stand on it, killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it.